And now, the top one for Kindergarten 2, Amara Michael L. Cabrillas. Academic excellence in reading, language, math, values, merit awardee in writing, Filipino, science. Special award in Sunshine Award, Matapat Award, Legal Teacher Award, with high honors. Once again, Amara Michael